how to set Notion notifications. You go here, it's your profile name. My profile name is We Talk, as my language school is called, but you will see your name here. And here you just open and see settings. When you open settings, you go to notifications, and here you have email notifications settings, and you can turn them on, turn them off. I have page updates and workspace digest. Digest means that I get notifications once a day, not to keep getting emails every 5 minutes, because I have a lot of changes in my workplaces, and I don't want to have all my email full of notifications. So I have digest, which I recommend. If you want to keep them, to get them immediately, always send email notifications will be good for you. Do it like this.